Assalamu alaikum. How are you learners? This is lecture number 2, class 3, subject English literature. Reader The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Instructor Nadia Mughal. Learners, open your reader exercise or activity pages. Page number 46 is activities. The key below describes the skills practiced in each activity: spelling and writing, reading, speaking, critical thinking. Number 1, page number 47. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. The first word is Hamelin, rats, mere, town, cat, spoon, mountain, river. The people of Hamelin wanted these small animals to leave the town. The people of Hamelin wanted these small animals to leave the town. Yes, these are rat. Number 3 is, this person's job is to make a town safe and clean for all the people. This person's job is to make a town safe and clean for all the people. The person is mayor. This place is a very high hill, mountain. Come to page number 48. Look and read, write yes or no. A rat on the roof is running. Yes. The woman is in the open window has got a rat on her blanket. Yes, there is a woman who have a rat on her blanket. The man with the brush is wearing a yellow hat. No, he is wearing a green hat. The woman at the door is holding a spoon in one hand. Yes, this woman is holding a spoon in her one hand. Come to the next page. Match the two parts of the sentences. The first one is, there was a beautiful town called Hamelin. The people of Hamelin were very happy until the rats came. Thousands of rats came to Hamelin. There are rats under my chair. There are rats in my kitchen. The next page is, walk with a friend. Look at the two pictures. How are they different? Example, in picture A, the people are happy, while in picture 2 or B, the people are not happy. Find more difference between two pictures. Read this. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. The words are leave, make, see, will, want. The people of Hamelin went to dash the mayor. The people of Hamelin went to see the mayor. Make these rats dash the town. Make these rats leave the town. They shouted. What can I do? Said the mayor. There are rats in my house too. I have tried and tried to dash them leave. To make them leave. They dash go. They won't go. The people said, if you don't make them leave, we dash find another mayor. We'll find another mayor. Read the question, write complete answers. First of all, read the story of the reader. After this, find the answers of the questions. Who helped the people of Hamelin? The Pied Piper helped the people of Hamelin. Who said one thing but then did something different? The Pied Piper. How did the Pied Piper feel when he did not get his money? The Pied Piper became angry. What did the Pied Piper do to hurt the mayor? The Pied Piper played another or different tune. Look and read, write yes or no. There is a woman who has got a rat on her head. Yes. The mayor is very popular with the people. No. No or yes? The people want the mayor to leave now. No. The people want the mayor to leave now. The mayor must make the rats leave or the people will find another mayor. Yes. The next page is read this, choose a word from the box, write the correct word next to number 1 to 5. The mayor said, if you can dash these rats leave. Make. Hamlin, I'll dash you lots of money. I'll give you lots of money. I'll dash that, said the Pied Piper. I'll remember that, said the Pied Piper. Then the Pied Piper went into the street of Hamlin. He began to play a strange tune on his pipe. The rats followed him. Look at the letters, write the words. These are jumbled letters. Order these letters. The first word is strange. The second word is remember. Third one is money. Fourth, music. Number 5 is pipe. Read and choose the right words. The Pied Piper walked toward the river. The rats followed him and they all jumped into the river. The Pied Piper went back to see the mayor. The rats have gone, the Pied Piper said. Complete the sentences. The first one has done for you. The people of Hamlin told the children to stop. Write this line, but the children didn't hear them. The children followed the Pied Piper through the street of the town and across the bridge. They followed the Pied Piper out of the town and up a mountain. Then the mountain opened and the Pied Piper went inside it. Circle the best answer. After reading, learners circle the best answer. The next page is page 59. Read and write the correct form of verb. The story is written in past tense, so used second form. And the mountain opened. The Pied Piper went inside it. The children followed him inside the mountain. There was a beautiful land full of trees and flowers and birds. The children were excited and happy. Come to the next page. Look and read, write yes or no. Are the people who lived in Hamlin happy? Yes. Do the people of Hamlin enjoy music and dancing? Yes. Is the mayor giving a doll to the baby? No. Do the people drive cars? No. Do the people live in castles? No. Okay learners, Allah Hafiz.